Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Okay, so the formula is side 1 square plus side 2 square under root, right? So perhaps we can solve this without any thing, library. Okay, so but we will need the power thing, huh? Let's try. So side 1 into side 1 plus side 2 into side 2, right? And that should be a power of zero 0.5, right? So to do that, perhaps we could use this bit, but that won't be possible. Right. Do we need to use the library itself? That's the only call. Right, this would give out what 9 and then 16, 25, right? 25, we will need, there is no thing, huh? There is no power operator, that's the problem. Right, to do that we might have to use math only. That's the only solution to this, I guess. Right, so we can simply use power and then basically same thing, and that should be 0 0.5, I guess, right? Let's run the code. Should work. Let's submit the code, but I want to see other people's solution as well. It should not be that hard because could have probably could have done it without thing, but sqrt is there. Okay, square root is there. I simply use power. Okay, people are using math as well, right? Any other method that they have used? No, it's pretty much same thing, huh? It's pretty much similar sort of solutions that what people have proposed. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular problem. Okay, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.